welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and this is Life with Jocelyn Christina. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are returning back, thank you so much for joining us. In today's video, we are following up from last Sunday's video where we were doing a 3-year tour and review / update of my home and how everything is looking now after 3 years in my Ryan home. So today we are going down into the basement and then also outside. I think we'll have enough time to go down into the basement and just do a quick tour of what my basement looks like now, as well as going outside and around the house and seeing what the outside of the house looks like. And then next Sunday we'll follow up and we will go upstairs so you can see what all the upstairs bedrooms look like. We will also take a look at this new carpet cleaner that I bought and try it out and see how it works. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I would like for you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you part of this channel enjoying all these videos. Get started. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around and then we will head downstairs into the basement so we can take a look around the basement. And I also have a full bathroom in the basement, so we'll take a look at that. And then, like I said, we'll head right outside and take a look around the outside of the house and see how everything is holding up. All right, so let me go ahead and turn the camera on and let's get started. All right guys, so this is where we left off from the last video. This is my front entryway to my Ryan Home Columbia. And then this is the entrance down into the basement. And then of course, those stairs lead upstairs to the bedrooms. We are heading down into the basement and we're just gonna do a quick review and update of how everything looks down here. As you can see, as we go down into the basement, the carpet is actually holding up very well. Looks really good. No issues with the carpet. I'll try to lean in close so you guys can get a good look at the carpet. It's actually holding up very well, especially on the steps because we come down here a lot. The rails, the wooden rails, are also holding up very nicely as well. There's one there and over here, no issues. So we're gonna continue our way down into the basement. Again, as you can see, the carpet is holding up really well. And we are in our basement. So as you can see, everything still looks really good and intact. I have not done much decorating down here. It's actually still looks the same from when the last time you guys were with me and I was filming down in the basement. Everything is still the same. I've been so busy with work and everything, but I would like to decorate the basement. We definitely need to get more involved with decorating the basement and getting some pictures on the walls down here. I have not done anything, but as you can see, everything is holding up really well down in the basement. No issues, looking up at the ceiling, everything looks really good. Still the same. Looking at these large posts here, still looking really good, holding up nicely. No cracks or anything in these posts. The bathroom, full bathroom downstairs in the basement that I have, and it is holding up very nicely. As you can see, the sink, everything still looks really good. Toilet, shower still holding up really well. No issues with the shower. No problems at all here. So holding up nicely. So like I said, we definitely need to do some decorating down here. So hopefully you guys stick with me and we will get some pictures on the walls down here in the basement. All right, let's go ahead and head outside. I'm gonna grab some shoes and then we will head outside and take a look around the house outside so you can see how everything is holding up outside. All right guys, so we are now outside my house. We're on the front porch and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera on so I can show you how the front porch is looking, the outside of the house, how everything is holding up on the outside. So let me go ahead and turn the camera on so you can check it out. All right guys, so this is my front porch. So I did change around some of the front porch decor since the last time I saw you guys. It's been like almost a year, if not a year. This pillow's a little crooked, but I did add these chairs here. Before I had like a white bench here, and then I swapped it out and got rid of the white bench, and then I bought these black chairs and this table here. I got this from the At Home store. Super affordable, guys. This table, I believe, from the At Home store was only like $10, and then these chairs were on sale. I want to say not more than like $20 each chair, at max $30. But it hasn't been that long. I believe I got this table and these chairs about maybe a month or two ago, not too long ago. And then I also got this little, it's like a little stool. I got this also from the At Home store. I want to say this was probably about $40. And then I got this rug. I need to sweep the mulch off of it, but I got this rug from Target and it wasn't more than $40 as well. I thought this was a nice update to the front porch, doing some refresh home decor. And I got these cushions for the chairs. I think I got these from Target as well. I want to say they were like $10, and the pillows were like $10 as well. So this is the front porch. As you can see, everything is holding up nicely, no issues. I would say it definitely needs a little cleaning as well, like maybe a spray down with like a power spray or something like that. But as far as like how it's holding up, looks like it's holding up very well. So no issues here on the front porch. Everything looks good. So let's go ahead and take a look around the house. As you can see, the front walkway also looks really good, holding up really nicely. The driveway, the pavement for the driveway is holding up. Take a look around the side of the house. I'm gonna walk around the side now. As you can see, everything still looks really good structurally, even on this side of the house. No issues. I'm just showing you guys up towards the top. Everything looks really good. So as you can see, everything's still holding up really nicely. No issues here. Yeah. And we're gonna head around to the back of the house. We have this trampoline back here that I had someone come out and put it together. And then if we look back here, everything still looks really good. No issues back here as well. We're gonna go around to the other side of the house. Okay. And if we look up here, this is the other side of my house. Everything still looks really good here as well. No issues. Keep the grass cut. I have someone come out and cut the grass, and you know, everything still looks really good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's where everything is with the basement and the outside of my home. Everything still is holding up very well. I'm super happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this 3-year review update on my Ryan Home basement, finished basement with bathroom and the outside of the house, including the front porch. If you have any questions, please post your questions and or comments down below. I would love to hear them. I will see you all next Sunday at 8 p.m. and then I will give you guys a quick tour and review of the upstairs, again with all of the bedrooms, as well as do a review and trial of this new carpet cleaner that I bought from Target. I'll share that with you all and we'll try it out and see how it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to see you all next Sunday. I hope you all have a fabulous day. See you later. Bye.